The Datu Etang Integrated School has overcome the test of time through the leadership of the 4 pillars that pushed the school to the greater heights. Roy Salvador laid down the foundation and slowly brought this institution into a new level, enough to share education to the young learners at its best. Leadership took turn, but the vacuum left by Sir Salvador's leadership has not been felt as new administrator came and was equally dedicated and committed to the service. Mr. Felipe Pareño made his 4 years in school so fruitful and valuable. He continued what had been started and initiated some actions that kept the school afloat at the line of quality education. Datu Etang has been totally different after the 2 administrators exited their way for a new journey. The rise of the school had gone far when the reign of leadership was manned by Ramon Galiado. Improvements physically and academically had been visible. The school has really soared high on the sphere of giving education. With the advent of the new school head, this institution has strengthened its bid to become a productive builder of one's future. The brand of leadership that Sir Mark John Cacananta has shown in his few months of working has tickled the promise of bright future for the school. He turned the tide by making moves that led to great transformation. There was a huge progress in the physical appearance of the school, and its academic aspect has been earning positive results. The administrators and the teachers joined forces and work hard just to make Datu Etang Integrated School an institution that is braced with beauty and effectiveness in teaching the pupils. Never cease to dig ideas and went to other schools to draw some insights. Every second counts, and the teachers were one and worked together in fulfilling a desire to elevate the school to a new level. Anchored on teamwork, the teachers did an extended effort, toiled under the heat of the sun, and gave extra work and resources for the good of the school and the learners. The teachers wanted to be always at the right track and kept on searching for the best. Orientations were done and sought for assistance just to assure that everything will end up well. The school widened its horizons, took time to have talked with the stakeholders, and asked their thoughts for a possible solutions of the problem encountered by the school with students. School Governing Council has been actively involved in activities. Meetings had been fruitful and cooperation was getting higher. The parents took their own way of helping the school. Supports have been flowed, and the parents did not hesitate to offer the resources just to make the school a better learning institution. Datu Etang Integrated School has truly reached the line of expectation and continue to live up to the challenges. Strengthening its linkages with the stakeholders, support got overwhelmed, walls had been broken, gates were opened, and the developments were rolled down. New heights have been attained, new dimensions have been added, new hopes have been shared, new vision has been unfolded, all in one with one common target: bring out the best for the people around this institution. After years of operation, the school finally owned a gymnasium. The school ground has kept on improving and spell a difference way its few years of operation. The transformation is totally amazing, and its new look signifies that its function is more than just a school. Datu Etang has become the force to reckon in dispensing education. It piled up numerous projects since the operation began in 2011. The construction of first building, kindergarten classroom, improvement of the school ground, and rise of the flagpole. Later in time, more buildings had been built, like the grade 4 classroom, Tandungan building, grade 1, 2, and 3 buildings, and grade 5, 6, and 8 buildings. With the new rejuvenated facilities and its huge change, Datu Etang shows a lot of promises that it will produce great individuals someday. Now the school is simply gaining an attraction. The Datu Etang, which is situated at the mountain hill, is the haven of learning, where the learners are motivated by the ambience of the environment. The freshness of the air and well-developed atmosphere are the catalyst that the school is at par with others in Calamansig in terms of molding the life of the learners. In the course of time, the school development has made the learners of Datu Etang look different. The enthusiasm and excitement of attending classes are quite evident. Absenteeism is minimized and dropouts are declining. Expanding its classes become the core of the school target, so that no one will be left behind and everyone will be educated. Many learners have been reached out, and the parents are motivated to send their children to school.
Sa pagsikat ng araw, may dalang bagong pananaw. Naririnig mo bang busina? Palapit na ang pagbabago. Sama na, halika na. Go education, may bagong paraan. Mas madaming paaralan. Si teacher mas suportado, estudyante mas natututo. Trabaho tagumpay ang pupuntahan. Whoa, go education. Sakay na't makiisa, sabay na hindi kaya kung wala ka. Lumalakas na ang busina, palapit na ang pagbabago. Sama na, halika na. Go education, may bagong paraan. Go education, paaralan. Go education, suportado. Go education.
The school is making sure that every child in Sitio Datu Etang will feel the importance of education. The growth of the school has been seen when high school is integrated in its curriculum. The main campus is inching its way to the bigger picture of delivering education at its best.
Department of Education Division of Sultan Kudarat Quality Policy. We, the dedicated public servants of the Department of Education Division of Sultan Kudarat, pledge to satisfy our learners and other stakeholders by providing competent 21st century teachers and school heads, contextualized learning resources, and quality basic education support and administrative services. These are delivered in a competitive, efficient, and synergized manner through quality assured, simplified, and continually improved systems. In adherence to the mandate of the department and all applicable laws, policies, rules, and guidelines, we commit to carry out our roles and functions guided by serbisyong may integridad, kalidad, angat at tapat, sikat governance in a just and humane organizational climate.
Like a small boat on the ocean, sending big waves into motion. Like how a single word can make a heart open. I might only have one match, but I can make an explosion. And all those things I didn't say were wrecking balls inside my brain. I will scream out loud tonight. Can you hear my voice this time? This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove that I'm the right song. My power's turned up. Starting right now, I'll be strong. I'll play my fight song. And I don't really care if nobody else believes. 'Cause I feel but I can make an explosion.
Saludo, saludo, saludo ako sa'yo. Saludo, saludo, saludo ako sa'yo. Di mo alintana mga batikos at pangungutya, lalong-lalo na sa panahon ng pandemya. Ika'y di sumusuko, lumalaban at nangangako, maihatid pa rin ang serbisyong totoo para sa kabataan.